Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. The markets are up, but just a little bit right now. The Dow is up 3 points. The S&P is up 9. The NASDAQ is doing a little bit better. It's up 37 points. As we said in our pre-market report, investors are waiting for signs on how long this government shutdown is going to last. Now, this afternoon, the Senate will vote on a proposal to reopen the government for 3 weeks while negotiations continue. So, for now, investors just seem to be holding their breath. But just a few minutes ago, we received this, the Consumer Price Index for all urban consumers. Now, this is based on the prices for food, clothing, shelter, pretty much all of the expenses for those living in urban areas, which is nearly 90% of the country. So the CPI-U is the most frequently used number for identifying inflation or deflation. Now, the index actually climbed 2.1% from December of 2016 until December of 2017. Well, unfortunately, our wages are barely staying ahead of those expenses. Year to year, wages only climbed 2.5%, so we are barely making more than we spend. And then you have to look at the debt that we already have. An estimated 39% of Americans say they have no money in savings. 57% have less than $1,000 that they can use in an emergency. And for those with credit card debts, the average balance is more than $15,600. So we once again go back to this chart from the Real Investment Advice blog. This is showing the gap between real disposable income and the cost of living. That gap is expanding at a terrifying rate. That is this blue line down here. And Americans are having to fill that gap by using credit, which means the consumer credit per capita, this line here, is continuing to soar. So even though the markets may be looking up, we need to be cautious because if things take a downhill turn, this will be a real crisis. So, hey, that's it for now. Thank you so very much for watching. Please remember to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and YouTube, and you can catch all of our reports on realinvestmentnews.com. I'm Mike O'Neill, and we will see you in a couple of hours.